Our next talk is on stroke and heart attack caused by diabetes mellitus and what Ayurveda can do to prevent these complications. In fact, this topic deals with so-called arteriosclerosis, which is a very common problem in our modern society. In arteriosclerosis, all arteries, especially the big ones, they get narrowed by clots of bad materials which are narrowing the arteries, and after some time they really can be obstructed, and by that cause big problems to brain, to heart, and also other organs. And the big risk factor for arteriosclerosis is diabetes mellitus, next to high blood pressure, next to high cholesterol, and also next to stress. So when we can control these three problems, then also arteriosclerosis, the problems associated with it, can be improved. What can Ayurveda do for this problem?
Specifically, Dr. Garner, for prevention of heart problem, also improving heart functions dramatically and controlling high blood pressure along with diabetes, managing the blood sugar in a natural manner. DBP detox is the best treatment in Ayushakti that I have seen, working with people remarkably effective.
Can you explain a little bit DBP detox?
DBP detox actually is slightly improved treatment from diabetox. When we started working in the clinic, and we were just focusing on blood sugar in the beginning for detox programs, I realized that along with the blood sugar levels, people also get hypertension, cholesterol, and finally ending into stroke or heart problems. So we have to devise a treatment which is working on all of them together. Even if somebody doesn't have heart problem today, it can prevent it, or if there is blood pressure, it can calm it down. So the difference is that in DBP detox, what we do is we start initially with all the treatment where the toxins are liquefied in the tissues and they are separated from the tissues, and then we side by side do heart dhara, shira dhara, a specific blood pressure murma point treatments. All these treatments combined together with internal detox programs helps holistically circulation, heart problems. If there is paralysis, stroke in somebody, their recovery is much faster through these detox programs than without doing the detox program.
So all three problems you are treating
together. So it begins with this unclogging, separating the toxins from the tissues. Then in the second level,
how do we do this?
We give a specific diet, Pinda Sved, Siddha massage, Shira Dhara, Heart Dhara, such a different kinds of treatments which helps to feel light in the body. So the toxins then become slightly unsticky. Initially they are very sticky, so they can't be removed very easily. They become unsticky, and then slowly through different Pinda Sved and different kinds of massage and special ghee to be taken internally, oil to be taken internally, we move them into the digestive tract. And along with that, we continue blood pressure, calming and heart nourishing treatments, circulation improving treatments also through murmas and different therapies of
What is
Panchakarma.
marma? Can you explain what you mean by that?
Murma is really specific points that, according to Ayurveda, you press them
Something
regularly.
like acupuncture in China?
It is something like that, but it is more deeper, because Ayurveda is originally the therapy, the origin mother of every kinds of pressure point therapy in the world. So this comes from the original authentic source of Indian tradition.
Many years ago,
many thousands, 5,000 years ago. And then we use these specific points, we press this in a certain manner, and you will be surprised that after Shiradhara and Marma point treatment, the blood pressure reduces by at least 20 points. If there is 160, it becomes 120.
And I think also the advantage is that this Marma can be taught and the patients can do
at home by themselves.
Marma points by themselves.
And that's what we essentially do. We teach them and they do at home also by themselves every day. So after this whole process of oil and everything, we give laxative. So all the mucousy toxins which were blocking the arteries either in the head region or in the heart region, they melt and they come out of the body, come to the digestive.
So-called Virachan Day.
Virachan Day.
I experienced it's not one of the nicest days. However, it's okay. And
but
the other therapies all are very nice.
Yes.
And you can enjoy.
This is very dramatic, but people lose a lot of mucus toxins in the stool in this day, and that's the sign that the toxins are coming out actually. So this DBP detox is really a completely integrated program. By end of this whole detox, what happens is that sugar absorption improves a lot from the blood to the cells. So blood sugar management is much better than
blood sugar
before.
Levels
it goes down. The need to take allopathic reduces, or in some cases even they don't need it anymore. Most of the people also improve their blood pressure levels as well. So blood pressure comes to normal naturally, and most people, they don't need to take the tablets as per their doctor's advice, because the blood pressure otherwise with the tablet goes down more, which is not good. So they normally need to take the hypertension tablet, also reduces or completely stops. Cholesterol becomes normal as well, and the weight reduction is also between 10 to 12 kilos.
Do you also give some lifestyle advice?
Yes.
Because I mentioned stress
as
a risk factor.
Yes. So basically I would recommend then to keep doing maintenance detox program of Shiradhara, specifically designed anti-stress regimen with Hardhara, Shiradhara, Marma points, at least once in 2 weeks or 1 week
Yoga.
to keep it and besides that pranayam, yoga, exercise, Anulom Vilom, Kapalbhati pranayam, all this pranayam is very, very important for the body.
When I've done my first Panchakarma here, I also saw that sometime in a week you had organized a yoga program in the morning.
Yes.
So you're not only treating the body, but also you're treating the soul and mind
and everything combined together. Also, the DBP detox treatments itself is treating not only body but mind and emotions as well. A lot of people have a relief in their emotional and mental stress after the treatment.
And also what I could observe during this Panchakarma process, people often undergo emotional changes.
Yes, a lot.
There are a lot of dreams and things like that. They're really changing also their personality.
Yes.
During this time.
One thing is there for sure, that quality of life improves a lot by doing the holistic approach of Ayurveda, which is with the detox programs and the diet, herbs and lifestyle changes. They have a much better energy, a good focus of mind, always stable blood sugar, cholesterol and blood pressure all the time, prevention of clogging of the arteries, all these things, you know, and weight management is much better than before. So these are many, many benefits of doing this detox program.
Thank you.